Hey everyone, I'm Jason. Welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your recorder if it keeps rebooting or keeps factory resetting by itself. This recorder I got in front of me right here, that's what it's happening. If you do a reboot on it, or if there's a power outage and this thing starts back up, it always goes back into factory default, which this means you lose all your information. So in this video, I'm going to show you what causes that and how to fix it. Okay, so first thing you want to do is we do have to open this up. So depending on your recorder, you probably have 6 screws. This one's got 6. So I already unscrewed it. Just want to waste your time watching me unscrew it. So we're going to lift the cover off. Okay, so this is what it looks inside. So the part that's causing it to factory default after there's a power outage or when you do a reboot on your system for some reason is this little watch battery right here. That battery right there. Chances are it just needs to be replaced. Grab my little screwdriver here. So the way to pry this out, just be very careful. I go towards the back. So this one here, it's a little hard to see. It's the CR1220. Just grab my voltmeter. Just do a quick test. It should be 3 volts. Let's see what we got. So we're supposed to be getting 3. As you can see, I'm getting 21, 24. Okay, so I got a fresh one right here. I got a new battery here, so let's test this one out. As you can see, 3.26. Compared to 10, slowly creeps up. It's even lower than what it was before. Let's put this one aside, don't want to get them mixed up. Put it in, put it like a little bit of a 45. Pop it in, locks into place. Now we can put the system back together and now we shouldn't have any more problems. So guys, hopefully this helps you out if you're having this issue. Like I said, it's a very simple fix. If you guys have any questions, please give me a comment below. Like this video, thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. And like always, thanks for watching and have a great day.